My name is Candace Westbrook, and I am here this afternoon to talk with you about the importance of why it is important of integrating technology into education in all of our districts, no matter what district we are from. Students can have these things, and what is technology integration? Technology integration is achieved when we use supports and curricular goals. It must support 4 key components: active engagement, participation in groups, frequent interaction, feedback, and connection to the real world experts. How can technology integration help students? It can assist students in learning the Common Core. It can address various learning needs and styles and help make learning interactive. Interactive learning is very important to children. When they can put their hands on it, they can remember it. The impacts of technology, some of the advantages: field is constantly changing and updates can be introduced to students. Curriculum can be customized to meet the students' learning styles and needs. And also it helps students to have more interaction with their teachers and others from near and afar. Some other advantages: interaction participation of students during the lesson. It offers students more online courses and less textbooks for students to carry around. They have their own technology to carry around with them to be in touch with the rest of the world. A couple of disadvantages: there's more room for issues with integrity and dishonesty, more distractions, lack of technology support, and most staff will need professional development, as several of our older teachers are not sure how to use some of the new technology. A couple of more disadvantages: mixed abilities of tech-savvy students and teachers, software and hardware issues, and proper funds to buy up-to-date technology. As you know, sometimes we buy technology today, it's here today, and obsolete tomorrow. Professional development: how to incorporate technology into your lesson plans, especially for the K2 ELA in math and the 3-5 ELA math, science, and social studies. Have teachers to attend workshops to give them hands-on experience of how to design lesson plans, how to incorporate technology into your lesson plans. It's very important to have a project during this training for your staff so they can write a lesson plan with the integrated technology, and you can see some of the technology being here used with those students. Professional development: again, it's important to use this and talk about technology during professional learning communities while planning with your grade level. Each week during your grade level PLC meetings, have the teachers to share one idea of how they have integrated technology into their lesson plans that week. Also, ensure that grade level and subject area teachers are using the training that you were provided. Do classroom walkthroughs process in order to ensure that teachers are using the technology that has been placed within their classroom. Also, how will we implement this during the future of technology integration? It's very important that we implement this with our ELL learners. Teachers use multimedia with ESL students for a variety of reasons: the text, the graphics, the videos, the audio encouragement, immersion, and language. Also, for remediation, it helps teachers to present the same information and curriculum in a different way. Many times when you present information to your students, they can have the same information presented in a different way with technology, and they will be more successful. Also, it's important for acceleration with your students. It's important to implement this with your daily 5 literacy and math centers. Teachers are using interactive smartboards during literacy and math centers will help students to have hands-on experience. Again, it's that hands-on experience that helps the children remember. And then you can also incorporate technology into your lesson by bringing your own device. That's what BYOD stands for: bring your own device. It can be anything from a laptop to an iPad to a cell phone to a tablet or any other kind. Some advantages of the bring your own device: better student participation in class. It saves the schools a whole lot of money, helps students stay focused and in control of their own learning, helps teachers to work on 21st century learning skills, which is a part of their evaluation. Some disadvantages: students might forget their devices at home. Could be a distraction to some students. Devices may not be affordable, and the applications and tools may not work across different platforms. That's one thing that we have to be careful of, is to make sure that everybody's device will work. Why is integrating technology into education so important? It allows students to become global citizens in today's digital society. Doesn't matter, we can have a class here and we can FaceTime or we can Skype or any other thing with somebody that's over in China. 21st century skills: another reason for technology integration is the necessity of today's students having those 21st century skills and being college ready. Personal and social responsibility, planning, critical thinking, reasoning, and creativity. And it's very important for them to understand that technology is not only for gaming. Here are several of the resources that I used throughout this presentation, and I hope that I will be able to afford you some more information in the white paper to come.